welcome back to day 12 of unboxing the Beatles sock advent calendar, the 15 days of Beatles socks. Also exciting, around the same time that we're going to be concluding this one, the actual Beatles advent calendar, the one that's like properly licensed and everything, should be showing up Monday. So as soon as we finish this, we can jump right into that one. So if you think that we're almost done with the Beatle advent calendar goodness, think again, because I have another one coming. So anyways, but day 12, we're down here. Any guesses? I have none. So I'm just going to go ahead and start perforating. I'm hoping the other one's going to be really good, though, because it was really expensive. It was like $150. So it better be good. But anyway, so door 12. Ooh, just about tore that door off. Sorry. Okay, what do we got? We have got... This is literally the third pair that's just the logo on them. I mean, one pair, that's one thing. Two pairs, alright, fine, you're uninspired. Three pairs, I'm like, okay, now you're not even trying. But I mean, I'll still wear them, I'll still enjoy them, don't get me wrong, but I'm like, three pairs with just the logo. There are so many possibilities you could have gone with and you defaulted to that. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm hoping the last 3 days will be better, because it's starting to feel like they're not trying. Let's hope that the other Beatles advent calendar is gonna do better than that did, because oh my god. Yeah. It's starting to feel a little bit ripped off. But anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.